It's 8:30 in the morning, and as you can see, it is still dark outside. So me and my mate are gonna have some breakfast now. Meet the guys outside the hotel in around 15 minutes. Get the car sort of warmed up and cleared from snow, because it snowed a little last night, as you can see. And then we're gonna head off to the first destination of today. So I've just cleared the snow off the car and scraped the windows. Got the heating on. I have the heated seats on, which is a very nice addition to this car. Especially given that as soon as I opened my door, some snow from the roof sort of dropped in and landed on my chair. I was like, ah, crap. So yeah, so that'd be nice to kind of make that sort of melt away and stuff. It's coming up to 9, so it's 5 to 9. John and Tony should be out at any moment now. Holy crap, it's cold. It's about, was it -9? Yeah. -9. And I've got the snood thing on, and you can see my snood here. Keeping my face warm. I've got my hat on and my hood. Thermals, fleecy jacket, and my coat, and my gloves. And I'm just about okay. So it appears that the track that you normally use to walk around the back of the waterfall is closed for obvious reasons. I mean, it's going to be icy, it's slippery, and also dangerous with the icicles in case they fall and kill someone. So we've just finished up the waterfalls now. Got ourselves a hot chocolate and some teas and coffees. Just waiting for Tony, and then we're going to head off. He'll be driving, drive us to the iceberg lagoon, and we shall see you there. Yeah, we had such a long drive to get here. As a passenger, you find yourself like falling asleep with the car, the movement of the car, and the temperature cut the heating on a little bit. Well, we've arrived at the Glacier Lagoon, and as you can see, there's not much of a glacier lagoon. I was kind of half expecting this to be completely frozen over, more so than last time. But I think partly what's happened is, during the summer months, it melts down, becomes water and drifts in, you know, becomes part of the sea. But over winter, it freezes, obviously, and it's still part of the actual glacier itself. And I think as in April time, when we went last time, it starts melting enough that it breaks off the main glacier and drifts down. So I think that's why it was so packed last time. So at the moment, we've just got a few glaciers, so we're going to have a little wander down that way and check them out.
Shaken but not stirred.
Where's your drink?
Oh no, there. That one.
It's like a bloody science fiction weapon.
Yeah. Head clear it is though.
How did that break the stone?
How did that happen? Well, that sums it up. Aliens don't walk on the ice. It's like in a dome, isn't it?
Would you like some ice with that?
A little cube.
Give it to Papa.
Oh yeah. So drones are officially not allowed in the area, and I've got a permit and I have an email, but I've left them both at the hotel, so I'm still toying with the idea of whether or not I'm going to be actually flying. It's not windy, so I'm still me and Rach are heading back to the car. I'm going to go and try and sort the drone out. It's cracked behind you. We just crossed the road, and in this car park, which is the entrance to the black sandy beach, as you can see. And also interestingly, we've also got a lot of ice blocks around as well, where the ice comes from the lagoon and lands there behind us.
That's freezing.
Is it cold?
Yeah.
I don't know why I'm surprised.
Wow. Why I've got these trousers on down here, I don't know.
Oh.
That looks like an octopus or something.
Anyway, there'll be a massive wave in this there, guys, with a splash Tony.
That's not saying do that short paper, Who's going to rescue you?
Yeah, so I'm not sure if the tide's coming in or out. I think it's coming in. Either way, the waves seem to be getting a little rougher, and the sheer sort of force of the waves is actually shifting some of these big ice blocks. Whoa! Just about missed me. So one thing we've never actually done is actually go to the beach in Iceland. Rachel still hasn't done it, she sat in the car. It's cold. But we now have, from here to Reykjavik, 5.5 hour drive. We'll be making a stop at Vik. Wow. We'll be making a stop at Vik for food. That's still maybe 2.5 hours away, so still a bit of a trek. Today we're going to witness Tony getting absolutely drenched
And washed away.
and washed away, never to be seen again.
I'll try and save him.
Whoa!
Tony, move!
Huh? No.
There we go, I can stop blaming the staff member now.
Yay! So we're gonna head in now, get some lamb soup that I've been most desiring for a long time.
Okay.
Let's see what this is like.
Is it?
Like a giant fish finger.
Is it? It looks like one as well. We've obviously opted for the lamb stew. Our favourite thing that we eat when we're here. So, look pinker than normal. The lamb. That I remember anyway.
Yeah, it's probably because it's been put into the soup raw.
10 to 12, we're going to just pack a small case for tomorrow, because tomorrow we drive north, just for one night. And yeah, ready for that big journey ahead.